What's up, y'all? Back again here on the channel with another grow tip. I was thinking about this the other day. I was like, I see people running a lot of exhaust fans and exhaust setups and all this, and what are those carbon filters and all that expensive stuff. Look, I got the simplest, quickest, easiest filter that you guys can ever put on a exhaust fan. You go to the hair store, you get a do-rag. Come in like 3, 4, 6 packs. You can put these on your exhaust fans, and they're cheap. You get a pack of those for like $2-3, and you can change these out all year instead of buying those expensive ass exhaust fans set up. Look, just buy the fan and then that's your filter right there. Cheapest, best filter, and you can see when it gets dirty. I can't tell, you can see right there. Now it's black right there on the edge, and it's got dirt. Yeah, it works. It's gonna suck up all the dirt and all the filter and stuff. You can actually see it's working. I use the black ones for light. Don't get any light color ones, because light's gonna come through, or if you see anything, if you have light out on the outside, it might come through. But quick grow hack, quick grow tip, using a new rag for the exhaust carbon filter instead. Alright, thanks for subscribing. Back. We out. Peace.